Hi friends, hola mis amigos, bienvenido y welcome back to Playgarden Prep online. My name is Miss Canitra, o en español, Señorita Canitra, and today we will be learning letter B words in Spanish o en español. Now I don't know about you, but I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. First up we have 2 fingers and a drum roll, please. Ball. Ball. Ball starts with the letter B. And ball in Spanish is pelota. Pelota. Your turn. Pelota. Ball in Spanish is pelota. Ball in Spanish is pelota. Balls are used in most sports. Ball in Spanish is pelota. Ball, o en español, pelota. Next up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. B. B. B starts with the letter B. And B in Spanish is abeja. Abeja. Your turn. Abeja. B in Spanish is abeja. B in Spanish is abeja. Bees live in hives. B in Spanish is abeja. B, o en español, abeja. And last but certainly not least, we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Boat. Boat. Boat starts with the letter B. And boat in Spanish is bote. Bote. Your turn. Bote. Boat in Spanish is bote. Boat in Spanish is bote. Boats are used for traveling on water. Boat in Spanish is bote. Boat. Oh, en español, bote. Oh my goodness, friends. We learned 1, 2, 3. Oh, en español, 1, 2, 3 palabras today. Good job. Let's review. First up, we have ball. Oh, en español, pelota. Balls are used for most sports. Next up, we have bee. Oh, en español, abeja. Bees live in hives. And last up, we have boat. Oh, en español, bote. Boats are used for traveling on water. Good job, friends. Oh my goodness. The letter of the week is B. Should we sing bye in English and then in Spanish? I think we should. So let's take 2 hands and we're going to wave them side to say goodbye to all of our friends. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye, friends. We'll see you again next time. Okay, good job, friends. Now, should we sing bye-bye in Spanish? Let's see. Bye in Spanish is adios. Friends in Spanish is amigos. So let's take 2 hands o dos manos and wave them de lado y lado or side to side. Adios amigos. Adios amigos. Adios amigos. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye, friends. I had so much fun. Adios. Hasta la vista. And I'll see you next time.